when I met him, less than a few months ago,
January.
he had just started. Look at him now. You gonna be the same way?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is this chassis, Bill? Just a different body.
It's the practice body on the
See how he climbed right up that
That's what I said.
And that's steep.
Yeah, he is. Up there.
Yeah, get you some trail wheels and the megalithics that way. Nice Bill. Gotta give you credit, you got it done. That's brushless, ain't it? You hear the difference, Larry?
Yeah.
Good to hear.
Look how it go right up
Yeah,
there.
man.
That's what I'm telling. Look,
Yeah,
that's crazy.
yeah. And you don't see his front even
No,
thinking about
hell
lifting.
no.
See how it
No.
just cut?
Yeah.
Good job, man.
That's why I'm going to do that. God.
Yeah.
And this definitely doesn't have everything.
No, I'm just talking when I say everything. I'm
Got a new. We got a new crawler right here.
Hey,
I can go up that.
Dang.
it's cut up.
And it ain't showing no signs of like, you know what I'm
that's
saying,
what
on
I'm
the
saying,
edge.
No?
It's like calmly.
Like, come, give me some more.
Yeah, give
Come
me
on.
some more.
Look, you just going through like,
He got some good articulations. Huh?
yeah, the suspension. Yeah.
It's counterintuitive. On this size, those springs I think really hurt.
I think it hurt it more for the east side. That mother just went through it.
You see that?
Yeah.
When is that anyway?
Cash
I know. I said, when is it?
I don't know. Isn't it at the end of the month?
Okay.
Other one was at the end of the month. They got pushed too far on this one.
You got it.
I'm coming, Joey.
Close, yeah.
I'm gonna eat it.
Look at that, Larry. No, you're not. You got
I
it.
think you got it.
You got it. He got it. I would have gave it gas. That's all right. If I can figure out where to put my fucking camera.
Peekaboo, I see you. This too.
Peekaboo! Amazing Oak.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah, I'm on my lid now.
I'm not gonna be able to flip
Yeah, look. Hey, we gotta get traction right here. Hey, YouTube versus YouTube. What you filming?
Just was doing live for a few minutes.
You gonna crawl? You gonna run that rig or no?
We're going to squirt by 8 scale, we're going to squirt by 10 scale.
What's up? Almost time to go. The sun is shining in pretty hard right now.
Okay.
But I did get June's schedule done. And lo and behold, there is a 8th scale buggy
No.
and 1 10th scale 4x4 buggy fun day. So, mark your calendars.
Whoa.
Yep, I was
Going
able to
down.
get July done as well.
Okay. I got you.
We're doing a ground race.
Yep.
Got you.
That we need to add in still.
Okay.
Yep.
What's up, man?
Yep.
Ground race.